Hello. Thank you. Can I help you with something at all?
Is still available today?
What were you looking to do? You looking to do just sandboarding, or were you looking to do a beach tour and sandboarding?
Just sandboarding?
We have sandboarding leaving in about 25 minutes, and I have 4 seats on it. How many people have you got?
Two.
Just 2. I could fit you in about 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
They've got the rest of the bus booked. There's some backpackers from Sydney.
Oh.
Well, actually, not from Sydney, all around the place, but they come up. Some guys up there coaching you, showing you what to do, telling you what to do to have fun.
Oh, yeah.
Give you a bottle of water as well too.
你要先上厕所，那里好像不能上厕所。
我们来到金字塔，然后骆驼商队。哎，好多金字塔
法老王。
法老王，没有，你要那个人面狮身，它在这。
不要。
脚很痛吗？
发生怎样？
这是我们的车。
快点啊！可以啊。
哇
，sick。
那很像那个什么飞机舱，很大。在沙子上还可以长的植物，那个沙超高的，像广角镜头看不出来，感觉有20个我那么高。Are we here?
Get Bob.
Are we stuck? 我们在爬山，我们正在上坡。这个沙看起来像雪很绵的感觉。
Hi ladies and gents, so the bus will be going down to pick up some more people, so please take all your items off the bus. Take your shoes and socks off. It's easier to walk around the sand, plus use the sandboard to bare feet. Please grab all your possessions, your shoes and socks, put them out here.
啊，它的后车厢在这边。
Hey Bo! Hello! We're waiting. So number 1 rule, you do not walk up the sand dunes. To walk up the sand dune area, you walk up between the flags, or up around the cones. There's one sliding area, there's a small hill, and then over the other side between those cones is the bigger hill. So you can start off here. When you feel confident, then you can move to the bigger side.
初学者。
So to use your sandboard, you have some
进阶班。
riding. What you're going to do is you'll sit your bum just in front of that riding. Put your heels, not your toes. Make sure you're in the center of the board. Heels against the bum stop. You have your hands behind you, facing backwards, leaning back, like this. This is going to do 2 things. Keep you going straight and keep you balanced. If you need to slow down, you dig your fingers in the sand. This is going to act like a brake to slow you down.
你知道怎么滑？怎么那么屌啊你？帮我先看你再上下来好了。你有玩过更快的？
换你去。
换你去更快的。
我是第一个。
You're the first one.
我是可以等你。
不要走。
一起滑吗？你都还没有新手村呢。
直接走。
去哪？先从小的啦，都还没学会走就要飞。
超高的嘞！哎呀，刹车啊！
好慢哦，我们现在我们要去进阶了，好高哦！
超高的嘞！
下面的人跟蚂蚁一样。
但我不就更高啊？那你的手嘞？
我知道杀了。
喝水就好了，所以他还给你一罐呢。走。Yeah.
Keep your hands on the sand.
You want to back?
Going straight.
Nah, she don't want to stop.
Go!
这小查某讲伊是San Angel。哇！啊！
We are picnic at the beach. 大包小包，我买了 cos 烤鸡、面包一堆。可以开箱我们的 SD 吗？有沙拉、饼干，还有牛奶。还有刚刚买的 buffalo 酱，有水，还有做面包，做烤鸡面包。
要帮你吃吗
Yes, please.
再用干净的手帮我把。
烤鸡三明治，噔噔。不是牛肉就加三明治。好清澈。
有啊。
好像果冻。
对啊，是啊，摸起来像果冻。
但那刚刚那个就很像 Blue Bottle 的这个部分啊。我要捡到一颗。
然后跟着一起走，他们是慢慢的被洗出来。
对啊。啊，那里。
太晚了，等它洗过去。
太浊了，看不到。蛤蟆汤，煮就回来了。